Integrated bilge water treatment system is a system to minimize the amount of oily bilge water generated in a machinery space by treating the leaked water and the oil separately. The main objective of this is to reduce the need to operate OWS and its related workload. In order to achieve the above state, the draining system should be grouped into three heads. Number 1, clean drains. Number 2, oily drains. Number 3, bilge water. In an IBTS, the oily drains are collected through fixed drainage arrangement to the sludge tanks. Clean drain are collected through the fixed drainage arrangement to the clean drain tanks. The clean drains and the oily drains should be collected separately. Importance: to eliminate the potential threat of illegal discharges. Human element: to eliminate substandard practices, shortcuts leading to such actions. Number 3. Ensure BSM zero pollution accident incident policy compliance. Number 4. Providing solutions for operational constraints, reservations of OWS. Number 5. Waste stream, source of reduction, and thus enhancing the bilge capacity of the machinery spaces. On the left hand side, you can see the implementation roadmap flowchart, which says that the first is to initiate MOC and the survey of ships for collection of data and analyzing challenges. Ascertaining the tentative date, place of retrofits of IBTS, evaporation and clean drain tank and respective certification. Post-installation guidance, instructions, and training to the crew is to be carried out. And finally, the necessary changes in the QDMS and the addition of the equipment in the PMS. Thank you.